Hello guys!
Hello, Dmitry Bonder there and my daughter Kate. We will talk today about very important topic that everybody who is building wells must know. And this topic is...
Sorry.
Credit score.
And this topic is...
Credit scores.
Okay, and today we will talk about perfect credit score, why it really matters, how to build it, and my daughter will ask me a lot of questions that every teenager may ask their parents. Let's go.
Okay, so credit score. So what is a credit score? Like why do I need why should I care about it?
That's a good question. So when we first time came to US in 2017, I never ever deal with a US credit score system. When we came to car dealership and we wanted to buy a car, we wasn't able to take a loan because you don't have credit score. So basically, credit score, it's a way how credit agencies or other companies
Can trust you.
can trust you or not trust you.
So without it I can't ever take out a loan?
Yeah, you will not be able to take any loan if your credit score is very low, or they can give you some loan, but the interest on your loan will be very high. It's very important to understand that you can live without credit score in US. If you don't need any loans at all for home or mortgage, for car or student loan, whatever.
Oh, okay, so credit score equals loans. Okay, so now that I know what it is, I would be wondering, like right now, for example, if I wanted to build a credit score, how would I start? What would be things I should do or shouldn't do, or like really dangerous things? And, yeah.
There are a lot of questions you ask in one question, but let me just give you example. So when we came to US, we went to the bank, to Wells Fargo Bank, and asked them for credit card. So the easiest way to start building credit score, just to take any kind of loan, retail loan, I mean consumer loan to buy a iPhone, or any other loans for car or whatever. And when we came to Wells Fargo, we asked them, can you give us a Wells Fargo credit card? And they told us, no, you don't have any credit score. You are like for us, you are zero. The first step you can do in this case, you have to find a bank or credit institution who will give you a secured credit card. So secured credit card, it's when you take your money and put on this card, let's say $600.
All right.
And you will be spending this money, your money basically. And let's say you buy something, you paid, I don't know, $50, and next week you put this money back on this card. So you're like building step by step trustability from the bank.
I don't understand. Could you make it more simple?
Every bank, every credit institution just want to see that you can take money and give it back. Take money and give it back. So repay your loan, every small portion of your loan every week or every month or every day.
So the more you prove that you're trustworthy,
Yes.
the higher your...
Yeah.
All right, what kind of things can drop your credit score or like ruin it?
A lot of things.
So first of all, if you don't pay in time your loan, if you decided
Just
not
not
to
gonna-
pay
yeah.
back, you will get it's called derogatory mark on your credit card or your loan, and this is a huge drop on your credit report, and this is a very big problem. So the first thing, they can drop your credit score significantly if you don't repay your loan. The second thing that's really important, that you have a lot of applications for loans.
Too many applications.
Too
for
many
loans?
you send too many applications. They ask him, what is going on? Why this teenager ask us for so many money? Maybe she has some
broke.
kind of
So don't take out too many loans,
Yes.
basically. So you basically have to be very careful with it.
Very
because
careful.
It's like grades that we get. You might have
Yeah.
an 100, and as soon as you get one bad grade,
Yes.
it's gonna drop it to like...
Also, it's very important what kind of loans you have. Car loans, loans, mortgages. So all these credit companies, credit bureaus, they really like different types of loans. Like they really like when you're borrowing money, because it gives them a very clear proof that you can pay it back, and you are paying it back. That's how it works.
Is the only thing I can do with a good credit score is take out money?
That's a good question.
Good loans,
So
is that it?
why we're talking about credit score on this channel? Because it helps you, it could help you to build a wealth.
Oh.
How? Okay, let me explain how people usually in US build their wealth. So they invest a lot in a real estate. If you want to buy a house, you need money. You want to take a mortgage. It's a kind of loan. And to take a mortgage, you will go to the bank or any other credit union, credit institution, and ask them, can you give me money? And they immediately will check your credit report. Like in school, if you apply,
Checking your grades,
yeah,
basically.
it's like checking your grades. So if they see that your grade is really cool,
Oh, okay, so you'd go and ask people, like, can I have some money to buy this house right now?
so
I'm investing.
because you can, there is another very, very dangerous situation when people just taking money to spend them on a new iPhones, on a new laptops, on a new trips to, I don't know, to Mexico or somewhere else. So they're just taking money to live better every day, like
So they're taking out loans just
yeah,
for
they're
simple
just
things.
taking the
yeah.
loans and they're building, and their loan, all this number, it will be growing and growing and growing. It will be pushing you down and down,
And at
you will,
some point they'll probably start refusing
in some point
those
you will
loans.
be broken. In some point you will be bankrupt. So if you take money from your credit card, it's very expensive money, from 10 to 12, sometimes at 21, 22% monthly. And when you're just taking money to buy a new iPhone and you are paying 20% every month,
You're losing a lot more money.
you're losing a lot of money.
So having a good credit score basically means that you'll be able to invest more and better and
Yeah.
have more opportunities with it.
Yes, it will give you more opportunities to invest.
How and who decides like what credit score you're gonna get, how much points you're taking off or added?
There are 3 different agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and every month they're checking what is going on with you, like how much money did you borrow, how much money you paid back, do you have any, I don't know, due dates, and what the percentage of the money you borrowed from the total available amount of money you can borrow. And you can check them. I'm doing this not every month, but pretty often. So I have several apps. Let me show. It's a Credit Karma. There are several apps: Credit Karma and Credit Sesame.
Just to keep
and
track of
Experian.
them.
Yeah, just keep track what is going on with my
And
credit.
what's your credit score?
It's right now about 800, so it's pretty high. But I don't like borrow a lot of money, so I'm not a perfect borrower for them. So I'm just like,
I have my money, it's okay, I don't need more.
so that's not perfect.
So what credit score do you start with? Like for example, when you just came here,
550.
550.
Yeah, and I think just in 1 year, my credit score was about 700. So you can build it pretty fast if you're doing everything correctly.
So let's say you don't take out loans. So you just get that 550 and you don't take out loans at all.
It will be stable. There will not be any changes because, as I said, if you don't take money, it means there is no chance for them to understand are you good borrow or not. It's
trust
like
you.
if you're not visiting any classes at your school, there is no chance to check how good you are.
So if you want to take out a lot of loans and mortgages, you have to have taken them out before and
Yes.
done good with it.
Yeah, if you want to borrow money in the future, you have to think about this in advance.
And just like most of the stuff, you can also start building it at when 18, or when is the usual age that you can start this?
As soon as you will be 21 and when you will be eligible to take.
Just okay, got it. that, I think that you.
It seems like she doesn't need any loan because every week, every
Yeah,
day,
you buy me stuff. No,
good
he's
idea.
actually has a credit report for me. I asked him for like some money for the store, and he was like, "Well, you didn't return me those $10 from last week."
I hope you guys like this video. Please put your comments below. Consider to subscribe if you like our videos and the format how we do it. And if you like this beautiful lady who's helping me in every video. Good luck.
Okay, thank you. I actually learned.
Так, какие thank you? Ну ты когда ты отцу thank you говорил?